Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever stared at a blank screen in Mailchimp and wondered how to craft an email people will actually open, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to create a successful email in Mailchimp, from start to finish, and I'll share some tips to help you make the most impact with every send. By the end of this video, you'll know how to put your message in front of the right audience, clearly, confidently, and effectively. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is create a campaign. Head over to the Campaigns tab in Mailchimp, then click Create Campaign and choose Email. Now at this point, Mailchimp will ask what type of email you'd like to create. If you're sending out a standard newsletter or a single announcement, select Regular Email. But if you want a series to go out over time, like a welcome series for new subscribers or a drip campaign for people who have shown interest in your product, you'll want to choose Automated. Think of Automated as your set it and forget it option. Perfect for building relationships over time. Next up, let's talk about your audience. This is where a lot of folks just send to everyone, but a successful email really starts with focused targeting. Mailchimp lets you pick a specific list or even get granular with segments and tags. For example, if you've tagged some subscribers as VIP customers, you can target just them with an exclusive offer. The more relevant your message, the better your chances of getting opens and clicks. Don't worry if you're not sure who to target at first. Mailchimp segmenting tools make it easy to experiment and see what works. Now it's time for the fun part, adding your content. Mailchimp gives you a bunch of easy templates, or you can build your own custom design if you like to get creative. Drag and drop in your logo for instant brand recognition, add some fresh images that speak to your message, then drop in your text and buttons where you want people to take action. Here's an important tip. Keep your email visually clean and straightforward. Most people read emails on their phones these days, so don't overcrowd things. Make your headlines pop, use short paragraphs, and always include a clear call to action like shop now or learn more. Imagine you're designing a friendly roadmap, guiding your subscribers' eyes exactly where you want them to go. Before you hit send, take a minute to personalize and optimize. Personalization can be as simple as using merge tags to greet your reader by name. Just insert hi F name and Mailchimp will swap in each person's actual first name. This one touch can make a surprising difference in how people respond. Speaking of first impressions, make sure to craft a compelling subject line, something that stands out in a crowded inbox, and don't forget the preview text, which is like a sneak preview of your message. It's your chance to build curiosity or offer value right from the start. Once everything looks good, it's test time. Send yourself a test email or use Mailchimp's built-in preview tool to see how your design appears on both desktop and mobile devices. Don't worry if you notice something off. Now's your chance to tweak the design or fix typos before your email goes out to hundreds or thousands of people. Think of it like proofreading a letter to a friend. Those extra few minutes can make a big difference in how polished your message feels. Now, for scheduling or sending, you can choose to send your campaign immediately, or if you want the best possible results, you can schedule it for a day and time when your audience is most likely to check their inbox. If you're not sure when that is, Mailchimp gives you insights and suggestions based on your past campaigns and even your specific list. And finally, don't just set it and forget it. After you send, jump into the Reports tab to see how your campaign performed. Check your open rates, click rates, and overall engagement. Did people interact with your content? Are there areas where you can improve? Use these insights to tweak your next email, maybe adjust your send times or try a different subject line. The key to better emails is always learning from what you've already sent. And here's a pro tip to wrap up. Keep your emails focused, valuable, and easy to read. That's really the secret sauce behind every successful Mailchimp campaign. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share what's worked for you in Mailchimp, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.